Well, welcome back to the shop, folks. I tell you what, this little thing right here, I done told y'all I've been dragging that thing around in the toolbox for a lot of years. Didn't know what the devil it was. I reached out to y'all, and somebody came back with a good answer. He said he wasn't sure. He said, but investigate something called an tapper ice. Sure enough, Charles, you dead on the money, fella. It's a tapper ice. You give me a minute. I'm going to show you how it works. How in the world did I go this many years not using this nearly every day? I have spent a lot of time thinking, taking that thing out of the toolbox, shaking it around, wondering, what the devil's that thing do? Give me a minute. I'm going to show you. All right, I got my little demonstration set up. I got my favorite iced tea glass. I can't emphasize that enough. This is an iced tea glass. I have a little homemade iced tea, minus the ice yet, but we are fixing to take our ice tapper, crush us some ice. I made these big old nice ice cubes just for this, and we're going to try it out. I haven't tried it yet, but supposedly you give it a whack. Well, there it goes over there. Let's put some in the glass. You know, bartenders supposed to do this. I ain't no bartender. All right, we got ice all over the shop table, but I got crushed ice in my glass. I did look this thing up, and sometimes it's referred to as a barfly. Not what I thought a barfly was, but nonetheless, there's one. Let's get a little bit of this homemade sweet tea. And I don't know about y'all, but I can't take very much of that sweet tea at one time. And mystery solved. We now know what the mystery tool was all them years. Folks, I do appreciate you checking me out. Charles, I really appreciate you solving this mystery. And brother, if you'll reach out to me, drop me an email, send me your address, we're going to hook you up with one of those hard to get, coveted Rusty Rooster stickers. Because I know you want one, fella. Meanwhile, I put it right here. Folks, sometimes in life we're presented with little mysteries. We don't know what they are, but there's some type of little attachment to it, and we just can't turn loose of it. And I'm glad I held on to this for no other reason than to solve the mystery of what the devil is it. Now let's take a minute and think about where I found it. I found it in a used toolbox full of used tools in a pawn shop. I bet that was one interesting character who used that toolbox. Hey, I appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed it, how about a thumbs up? I sure would appreciate one of those subscribes from you. Till next time, I'm going to take my iced tea and go enjoy myself. Hey!